one of the things I'm doing with their printout that comes along with the kit is I'm crossing everything off. It's such a dense picture. I'll give them credit. It's a hard picture to lay out all the numbers of where everything goes. I'm going through and crossing everything off. It's one of the reasons why I'm approaching this so logically, to make sure I don't miss anything or put things in the wrong places. Now, so let's move on to the number 4 bolt with more 6 washers. Now, these were T20s. I don't think I mentioned that a moment ago. And we're going to go to a series of T20s. So you'll see the 4 bolts that hold the brace down plus your hood latch. So 1, 2, 3, 4. You've got a series across the nose here. One, as we come across, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Here on my car, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So go ahead and do one at a time. Those are going to be number 4 bolts with number 6 washers. So just replace each one with a T20, pull out the OEM, use your 5mm Allen and put the new ones back in, replace all those, and I'll show you what that looks like. All right, so you should have 3 4 bolts left. So 3 of the number 4. So now you've got this whole line across this front here. One will go right here. One of your 4s will go right here in this bracket to your headlights. So 1, 2, and then 3, the bolt holding down your charge pipe right there. So go ahead and get the rest of those, and then you should be out of the number 4 bolts, and you're pretty close to getting done. We'll just get the rest. Okay, so let's go ahead and finish these 2 across the front. That's a T45 Torx bolt, both of them. And then that is the 234 bolts. There's only 2 of them, and 2 of the 14 washers.